Hi, tutor and classmate. My name is Christian Gutierrez, and today I am going to present three statements to practice: word stress, syllable stress, and intonation. Come on, let's begin. Statement number one: the photographer took beautiful picture. In this sentence, the intonation is falling because it is a normal statement. Statement number two. Can you confirm the information? Here, the intonation is rising because it is a yes or no question. Statement number three. I don't want coffee. I want tea. In this case, I use falling intonation to show a clear choice. Applying these sounds help out speak better English. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.